Brought to you by America Motorworks Off-Road and Performance, your one stop for all your off-road diesel and performance needs. Whether it's fast or slow, lifted or low, new or old, we've got you covered. Come see us at our shop in Montrose, Colorado, or visit our website and online store at www.americamotorworks.com. New parts added daily. Check us out.
All right, what we got here is a Rough Country 9,500 pound synthetic rope winch, and there's a lot of argument about, oh, synthetic's better, steel cable's better. It's cold as hell here during the winter, so I like the fact that synthetic still is fairly pliable and doesn't fight you like steel can in the cold. But on the other hand, if your synthetic rope gets wet and freezes, it can be an absolute bear. But anyway, I wanted synthetic on this one, so we're putting synthetic on it. So kit comes with a bunch of crap, a bunch of different hardware and stuff. This one, you remember we put this kind of a bootlegged bumper off another Jeep on here, and it works, so I really don't care. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this winch. It's got a couple different connections on it. You got your positive, which is here, going to the battery, and then your negative will be here. So what we'll do is that little wire needs to stay on there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to run it right to the battery. So, because I have these crappy replacement terminal ends on here, we're gonna run it right to one of these and right to one of these. So, because the winch pulls a lot of amperage, so you don't wanna like hook it to something that's fused or hook it to like your power distribution panel. You wanna go directly to the winch or to the battery if you can. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this and we'll get started. Okay, so got the ground lug on. This is the ground one, this is positive. So I'm gonna take this big fat fella, set it right here. Another benefit to the synthetic rope is it doesn't weigh a shitload. Steel cable's heavy, but then you get little burrs that'll mess up your hand. So that doesn't look too shabby. No. And then we gotta put the fair lead on. So there's 4 bolts that come up from underneath, and in these little feet a square nut goes. So it's kind of nice, you don't have to hold the nut. The little square case holds it for you, so you just get under there and tighten it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it from underneath, tighten her up, and yeah, we can go from there. You guys don't need to watch me tighten it. I mean, pretty sure most of you are somewhat proficient at tightening shit. So anyway, I digress. That's what we're gonna do. All right, so Winchy McWincherson is mounted. I went ahead and ran the power cables, and you can see I got my custom grill. Yeah, whatever, it's just held in there by friction. So went ahead and ran the wires. It's kind of cool, the Napa battery has like a little place I can zip tie that. So I went ahead and ran it to there, and the negative runs here. But what I need to do next is install the fair lead, which is the part that goes around here. So go ahead and clip that, run it out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and bolt the fair lead on, and I'll show you what that looks like. Okay, that's pretty much all she wrote. You got this little rubber dingleberry here that keeps the keeps this hook from knocking her on this aluminum fair lead. All you had to do is just nut and bolt here, nut and bolt here. Then you pull the pin out, put it through, lock it, and then you have your handy dandy Rough Country dingleberry. So I'm probably gonna get some more hooks and hook it there, but that's what she wrote, man. The remote plugs in here and lets you do Polly McPollerson things, but that's how it works, man. That thing looks pretty cool. I know it's my shit box, but whatever, dude. Hey, the winch will pull me out of a ditch if I, get overzealous and be like, yeehaw, 4-wheel drive, and get myself stuck, which is probably what's gonna happen the first trip out because I'm stupid and I'm a slow learner. But that's right. But yeah, that's beside the point. But anyway, winch is on, so Great Value Grand is getting there. I'm waiting on a drive shaft to show up because tried to put the front drive shaft in and it's too damn short. It's an inch too short. Now, when I put the Jeep in the air and the front axle drooped, the 2 yokes get closer together. Now, it's an inch difference when I put the weight on the Jeep, so I could put the drive shaft in now. But the problem is in the fact that if I'm off-roading and I hang the front end, or if we need to put it on the lift, then the drive shaft will be an inch too long and it'll bind up and it'll need somewhere to go, so it'll probably blow out the back of the transfer case, and that's shitty. So that thing is too short. I went ahead and ordered a right size one from Tom Woods. They're good people. They know their shit. I've pretty much used them exclusively for like off-road drive shafts for different projects and stuff. But yeah, great value Grand's coming along. I also put some center caps on there so you don't have to look at the ugly ass lock nut and everything. But yeah, I want to take this out soon. I got to fix the window, the driver's side window, because it fell in the door and I can't roll it up. And my luck, if I don't, it'll rain, because that's just what happens. But yeah, same thing. Went ahead and negative here, positive here. Went ahead and tucked it. But yeah, it ain't the prettiest install, but it's installed, damn it. And I'll stand by that. But yeah, so that's the winch install. Like I told you before, all the rough country stuff we carry Smittybilt, we carry Warn, we carry pretty much everybody, anything you could want. But for this project, this is a fine winch and it will work perfectly. So follow along for the next one. I will go ahead and finish the transfer case conversion and get this damn thing rolling. I want to drive it. So you guys probably want me to quit yakking and so we can go on a freaking adventure. But thanks guys. I'll see you then. Later. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you're interested in any of the parts that you saw in the video, check out our website, www.americamotorworks.com. Also check the link in the description of this video, because if I say install the cold air intake or an exhaust, I will put that link in there. Appreciate the support. If you want to see more of our stuff, make sure you click the subscribe button right here. Have a good one.